This is the fossils and dating science quiz. Write in your name, select your hour. Number 1. Which scientific law states that older rock layers are found at the bottom of younger layers of rock? A. Intrusion. B. Fault. C. Index fossil. D. Superposition. Number 2. An intrusion is always blank than the rock layers around and beneath it. A. Younger. B. Older. Number 3. A blank is a break in the Earth's crust. A. Intrusion. B. Fault. C. Extrusion. D. Igneous rock. Number 4. Using the picture below, which rock layer would most likely contain the most recently evolved organisms? Is it A. the top younger layer or B. the bottom older layer? So here's the picture. Where would you find the most recently evolved fossils, evolved organisms? Number 5. What type of rock is shown in the picture below that often contains fossils? So you can see there's layers here. You got sandstone, Mesa Verde group, more sandstone, you got shale. Is it A. extrusive, B. igneous, C. metamorphic, D. sedimentary? Number 6. Relative age dating is used to determine A. the actual age of an event, B. the length of time between two events, C. the age of one event in comparison with other events, D. the rate at which a geologic process occurs. Number 7. The method by which a geologist can calculate the exact age of the rock by knowing the half-life of an isotope is called what? A. radiometric dating, B. relative dating, C. absolute dating. Number 8. Fossils of species that existed for short periods of time and were widespread are called what? A. trace fossils, B. index fossils, C. original remains. Number 9, you're going to use the picture below to sequence the rock layers from oldest to youngest. Okay, so take a look at this picture. Which layers are the oldest? Which layer is the youngest? Is it A, B, C, D, E, B, A, E, D, C, or E, C, B, D, A? Again, oldest to youngest. Number 10, how old do paleontologists believe the Earth is? A, 2015 years old, B, 3.6 billion years old, C, 4.6 billion years old, or D, 4.6 million years old? Number 11, the geologic timescale is a record of what? A, old geologists, B, sweet geology music, C, the known history of rocks and fossils, or D, a list of every living thing that ever existed? Number 12, how do most fossils form? A, a living thing dies and is buried under sediment. B, the sediment is compressed and compacted. C, they are formed in sedimentary rock. D, all of the above. Number 13, describe absolute age. A number of years that has passed since the rock formed. It provides the rock with a specific age. B, sedimentary age. C, relative age. D, an intrusion.